And yan guys, it's been a while since nag-upload ako ng video dito sa YouTube channel ko. And hopefully, makontinue ko na siya ulit. And for today's guys, for today's video, gagawa tayo ng Rajma, which is Indian food. And of course, magluluto niyan ay si Mr. So, wait lang natin siya magising guys. And later, mag-prepare tayo ng mga ingredients na kailangan niya. Okay? So, I see you later guys. And hopefully, magustuhan itong video. Bye! Hello guys. So, yan. As you can see, yan na yung Rajma or kidneyBeans. Pinapalambot na namin siya. Hindi na ako nakapag-shoot kanina kasi nagmamadali siya. So, inside ng pressure cooker is kidneyBeans, water, salt, and bay leaf. So, yun lang. So, papalambutin lang siya. Then, later, after na malambot na siya, mag-start na siya ng seasoning. So, gagawin lang niya ng a little bit thick gravy.
What is the ingredients of your Rajma? Tell me.
The Rajma has been boiled in the cooker.
Then?
With bay leaf and with bay leaf with cloves and with water and salt. So it get cooked. Once it's cooked, then we'll be transferring it to the casserole, and we'll be what we're going to do. We're going to put the masala, everything, saute it with ghee, with butter, and then we'll be seasoning it with other ingredients so we can make the gravy of the Rajma. Rajma is kidneyBeans. So as this is being cooked, we are going to fry and season the other things.
Is that special only in Goa or what?
It's not a Goan dish. Normally it's a normal North Indian dish, but everyone prefers it with rice. Everyone prefers it with rice and with with other things as well.
Are you good in cooking? Huh?
I don't need to specify it because I don't know. It depends on my wife. She always eats my food, so she should know better than me.
He likes Filipino food also, guys. But he's good in cooking. Swear. What is your Filipino food? What is your favorite
Many things. Adobo, sinigang.
favorite niya yung sinigang, guys? Sobrang favorite niya. At gustong-gusto niya na sisig. At gustong-gusto niya yung sabaw. Then,
There's so many things I like.
what else?
I'm specified.
Sinigang. And adobo. Caldereta.
There's so many things.
Super sunny here guys. Hindi na siya umuulan. So, look at that. Super init. So, our Rajma is still being cooked over there in the kitchen, and guys, napakainit dito sa amin. Happy Sunday everybody! Nag-start na siya mag-saute guys. What did you put in there? What did you put?
In this there is ghee, there is cardamom,
Okay.
there are cloves,
Okay.
cinnamon stick,
Okay.
and cumin seeds.
Okay.
That is first fried in the oil and sauteed a bit. Then now once that gives out the aroma, when we are adding the chopped onions and letting it golden fry nicely. Once it turns golden color, then we'll add the tomato puree. After adding the tomato puree, we add some ginger garlic paste. After adding ginger garlic paste, then we start adding the ingredients, which is the masala, known as masala.
What masala you're gonna put it there?
Saffron powder, coriander powder. Then there is garam masala. Garam masala is a mixture of all these spices. Then we have then we're gonna add salt, and then Yeah, that's it. We'll be frying all of this together till it starts, till it's cooked, well cooked and starts leaving out fragrance. Once that's done, we will check the kidney beans, which is known as Rajma, which is cooking in the cooker.
Okay.
And then we will add it in the masala which we have fried, and then we'll check the taste, and that's how we let it cook and mix together, and that's how your Rajma will be ready.
Okay,
According to
so
that, you keep adding and tasting.
can you
it
tell
and
me once again what ingredients did you mix in that?
in this right now?
Yes.
Right now we added ghee first. Ghee,
Okay.
which is, you can call it butter as well, but it's not exactly butter. So we added ghee. Then we added, once the ghee is hot, we added cinnamon sticks.
Okay.
We added cloves.
Okay.
We added 1 clove, you can say. Then we added 5 cardamoms, and then we let that fry nicely. Left out the fragrance. After that, then we added onions, which is frying right now. Once the onion fries golden, then we will add some ginger garlic paste.
So he's adding now ginger garlic paste. This ginger garlic paste, guys, is a homemade ginger garlic paste. Ginawa din niya yan. Yan.
Add some ginger garlic paste.
Ginger garlic paste.
So redo the taste.
Homemade also yan, guys. Yung kidney beans still cooking over there
Add it, fry nicely.
while he's frying all the spices here. So after ginger garlic paste, what will be the next?
It needs to fry. So the ginger garlic would give out the raw smell, So once it fries, the raw smell will go away. So once that's done, and once everything is fried nicely, then we'll add the tomato puree in it.
So what did you add now after the
Nothing, it's still frying. Nothing is added till now. Still frying till if it doesn't fry nicely, and if it doesn't, the color doesn't change and it doesn't give a nice aroma, your kidney beans or whatever, your Rajma will not taste nice, because you need to get out the aroma, you need to get out the flavors from all the things that you are frying and cooking. So it needs to fry and it needs to cook nicely till you can see the color changing and you can get the fragrance coming out. So now this is fried and you can see it's nicely done. Now we're going to add the tomato puree, which is not ready-made, which is made by us at home. Lovely in color. We add this.
So that is a homemade tomato puree.
Fresh tomato puree, which is just made at home.
So what is your favorite Indian food? What is your favorite Indian food?
I eat everything. There's nothing favorite like that for me. Biryani, then everything is my favorite, you could say.
It's my
Mostly what
chicken
I
biryani
enjoy
is nice.
Mostly what I enjoy is normally I like to eat mostly grilled items.
Yeah, grilled items is nice.
Grilled, and let's mix this nicely so we can get out all the tomato puree from this. We don't need to.
So this is my chef for today. He's busy making his own version of Rajma.
Get some water here. The water that we use normally is directly coming from our filter water, so it's not done now. Rajma cooking it. Now the puree needs to cook as well now, so you get the raw taste again. For everything that we do is the same theory, because normally you need to get out the raw taste from whatever you cook. So it needs to fry nicely, so you get out the raw taste from it.
Pasensya na guys, ito kami nagluluto sa
So
steam.
right now, once we have put the tomato puree inside, it's cooking a bit. Now we start putting our ingredients in.
Okay, what masala you're gonna put it
Now
there?
this is
What is that?
coriander powder.
Coriander powder.
Now we are putting a bit of coriander powder in this. This is for it to give taste. Coriander powder is done. have a little bit of saffron
Saffron,
to
okay.
take
Or
away
turmeric.
the turmeric. Turmeric. So it's to take away the this is done. Now after this,
So coriander powder,
Go to-
turmeric. What is next?
we go to garam masala.
Garam
It's called
masala.
garam masala. That means in this we have all the spices ground. So there are varieties of spices ground and made into powder here. So this is the most essential thing.
What is garam masala?
As I told you, all spices, Indian spices, variety of spices are ground and made into powder.
Okay.
That's why it's called garam masala. Garam means spicy and gives a taste. Okay, so we're done with that, we're done with this. Now
What is next?
this is the masala which will give you the main taste, you know.
What is that?
This is called Rajma masala.
Rajma
This
masala.
is vegetarian masala normally. So this is the masala which will give you, you can put in all vegetarian dishes and give you taste. So this is the last of our masala that we had. So just finishing it up.
Say hi.
We'll have to buy again now. So this is done over here. Okay. Now let's give it a quick mix. So this goes in it.
Can you be my guest again for my next vlog? Cooking. For cooking.
Sure. Let's mix the masala nicely. So it goes into the pastes that we have made over here. Because we have to mix the kidney beans in this, which makes it into a thick gravy and which will give you a nice taste.
Ang bango niya, guys.
With your rice,
Kagutom.
with your rice, or with, you know, however you feel like eating it. Normally people eat it plain also. People prefer eating it plain.
We can eat that with chapati,
You can
right?
eat it plain, you can eat it with chapati. Mostly people prefer eating it with rotis, with chapatis, with bread, grilled bread. See, it's mixed nicely. Now it's giving out nice aroma. Now it has to cook. Once it cooks, it will leave out oil. Once it leaves out oil from this, then you know that it's already, you know, ready to be mixed. The kidney beans are ready to be mixed in this, because once it starts leaving out oil, that means you know that the ingredients already fried and done properly. So let it
Okay.
cook a bit.
So we're gonna wait until it become a little bit oily, right?
Yeah, it has to leave out oil. It will leave out oil in some time.
So, yan guys. Rajma is already cooked. Malambot na siya. And nag-fry siya ng potato with
Golden fried potatoes.
golden fried potato
And butter.
and butter. So, imi-mix to together.
Masala is ready now.
The masala is being ready now.
Left out oil, finish mixing it, everything. Now we're going to add the kidney beans in this.
Okay, so you're gonna add the kidney beans now.
Yeah.
Super bango niya, guys. Nakakagutom yung amoy. What do you call this?
What?
This one?
This one?
Yes.
This is the masala in which you're going to mix the kidney beans in.
Okay. I always forget.
This will make the gravy of the kidney beans. Because right now the kidney beans is boiled in its.
So the masala is
Now
being
see.
cooked now.
Is giving.
Sorry, the masala is already
giving-
cooked.
It's already left out the oil. A nice aroma now. So just mix it up a bit nicely. Now we will add the beans.
So the masala is already cooked and the
Kidney beans will be added now.
kidney beans ready. Add on that.
So now once we add the kidney beans, mix it in the masala nicely, so the masala gets into the kidney beans. Let it fry a bit. Once you mix it, then we will add water so it will get some gravy in it.
Okay.
So because the kidney beans are already cooked, only now the masala needs to give the taste and the flavor and get into the kidney beans. So it needs to cook for some time with the kidney beans, and then once for 5 minutes you need to fry it like this without adding water in it.
Okay.
And then once it fries a bit, then we can add some water and let it boil for some time. And then we add the potatoes also in it. So I'll let it cook for some time. Let it fry for some time.
Rajma is being cooked now with the masala. So just leave for 5 minutes, right?
It needs to fry a bit. Let it fry for some time without any water in it.
So after that, you're gonna
After
add
that,
water.
you add water in it,
Uh-huh.
and then let it bubble for some time.
Okay.
And then that's it. It's done. Then if you want to garnish it, you can garnish it with some coriander leaves.
Okay, so you can, if you want to put on top, you can add coriander.
Coriander leaves,
Coriander
fresh
leaves.
coriander leaves.
Okay, but
Cilantro leaves.
mhm.
You can add on it for garnishing it. And then your rajma is ready.
Okay.
Just need to taste it and see if anything is remaining. Little bit touch-ups are remaining for your salt. For example, if you need to add anything.
Hey guys, so we're going out today and punta kami sa biyanan kong babae na bahay. And it's already 6:45 here, and I don't know what time na makakabalik kami sa bahay. Hindi ko na kayo na-update dun sa niluto namin kasi nakatulog ako. Nakatulog ako guys. Yun. And baka hindi na ako makapag-video sa bahay ng biyanan ko kasi may tao din yata doon. Hindi ko alam. I will try but I cannot promise. And I'll update ko kayo later guys. Okay? Bye! We are down here now in the parking area. And mag-bike lang kami guys kasi sira yung sasakyan namin. It's wet. Super wet.
Little bit wet to be enough to wet. Not that much.
You should wipe it. Where's the stand? Color is the stand.
Can't take it. I wish to get away from here. Never back to this. It's all I wanted, and also forget about you. 'Cause what you did is not that good.
We stopped here because we are just curious what is there inside. I think it's for Diwali Bazaar. Just see. I think there is an entrance. Entrance fee. Where's the entrance? Huh? No entrance? Oh, there's a food here. Sweets. Look at that. I think they are closing. Where's the cutlet? I don't want to. See, this is a little bazaar. And they are closing already. Closing time.
You want to buy some sweets and things? Nothing is there much.
No.
Same thing that in Dhauli. That is the same thing like this. You want that navy?
What?
That one with the one like the half moon with coconut inside.
Yeah, I want that. Is this curtain? No.
Bed sheets. Bed sheets.
Bed sheets.
I seen that side. Want to buy from there?
Which side? Hello everybody! We're back. Nandito na kami sa bahay. And actually kanina pa, hindi ko lang kayo na-update kasi may ginawa ako. And guys, sabi ko kanina, hindi ko makapromise na makapag-video ko dun sa bahay ng biyanan ko. Kasi nga meron din siyang bisita and hihiya ako. Kaya yan, wala kahit konting video akong nagawa doon. So, yan lang yung ganap for today guys. And nanonood lang din kami ng cricket ngayon. And kung napapansin nyo, medyo madilim kasi hindi namin binuksan yung center light. Kasi bukas yung pintuan dito sa may balcony namin and maraming kulisap na papasok pag may ilaw. So, yan guys. End ko na yung video. And sana magustuhan niyo yung ganap for today. And please don't forget to like and share. And also, please subscribe to my channel. And kung gusto mo maging updated sa latest video ko, just click the bell icon. Alright? Good night everybody and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!